Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine. Today we'll talk about the very important topic that is about network architecture. Heading number 1.9.4, network architecture refers to design and structure of a communication system. So students, we need to be focused on the very first line, that is about the design and structure. So actually that is a design of network, that is a pattern in which the communication system and communication devices are involved, including hardware, cabling, network topology, and both physical and wireless connections. All are the tools. So it also defines how computers interact within the network. कंप्यूटर्स किस तरह नेटवर्क में इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं, हाउ कंप्यूटर्स ट्रांसफॉर्म डिवाइसेस, ट्रांसफॉर्म डेटा from using distinct components, distinct devices from one place to another, including roles like server and client. So because the computers are having distinct roles like server, client, peers, points, so all are elaborated with the few description as well. First of all, we will talk about the server computer. This is a computer that provides resources such as information, software or hardware, example printer, to other computers. Like if we talk about server is the main computer that is having the role to facilitate, to provide the resources such as information, software, hardware to other computers on network. It shares resources to others to access the information. That is about server computer. I am repeating that server computer is actually the main computer that is able to provide the resources to the clients. Okay, now if we talk about the client, then client is a computer that is able to access the information from server. We have many clients, different clients under the one or two servers. So that is all about the minor detail. Now we are going to move towards the next, client server network. What is about the client server network wise? So in a client server network, each computer functions either as a server or as a client. कोई भी कंप्यूटर वर्क कर सकता है सर्वर के तौर पे या क्लाइंट के तौर पर, बट अगर वो सर्वर है then the computer should dedicate to share resources and are not used to access resources shared by the computers. अगर हमारा कंप्यूटर सेलेक्टेड है कि वो एज ए सर्वर परफॉर्म करे, तो देन द कंप्यूटर नीड्स टू शेयर द रिसोर्सेज, and if not, then it is used to access the resources. If the computer is playing the role as a client, then the computer needs to access the resources from the computer. So the servers are responsible for providing shared resources such as file, application and hardware. Okay, so that is about the concept of client and server. If we talk about the, you can say, resources, then we also have another type, that is about peer to peer. So students, the main focus, the main functionality of peer to peer network is that all the network nodes, like all the computers in the lab, are having the same status, the same responsibility to get and share data from one node to another. If we read the book, then we need to check out that what are the, you can say, what are the concepts of book. So if we talk about the peer to peer, then in a peer to peer network, every computer can act as both as a client and server. Each computer or peer has capability to both share and access resources. हर कंप्यूटर के पास इतनी कैपेसिटी है कि वो अपने डाटा को एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर करे एज ए क्लाइंट और एज a server. This type of network is typically smaller, usually with between 2 and 10 computers. Since managing large number of computers in peer-to-peer setups can become difficult to peer and can share files, printers and other resources with others. So all that are about the peer-to-peer. So students, hope that you are understanding the points, and if you feel any problem, any question, you can please ask. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.